Come on in, people. Thank you for being here, isn't it? Let's have another discussion. Dancehall are we? Just play dancehall we talk about over here, so isn't it? Reggae, dancehall, we're Jamaican. You care how far with it, or just Jamaica thing. And me there I pre today, you know. And when I pre, I say, yo, I'm a man of a certain age, proud of my age, you see me? But me I say, yo, dancehall, they at a stage now where the older man them a lead. Want to the younger people them. But before me go into that, one thing about the Super Bowl. A lot of people say Kendrick flop. Them disappointed in a Kendrick. But my thing is Kendrick always perform that way there. Kendrick drop gem, him drop Easter eggs. But the Super Bowl I know where we go for see Easter egg. Half of the people them drunk already. Half time and all of them drunk. Them a drink up them wine, them a drink up them beer, them a smoke them weed. They don't know they in a stadium and they enjoy themselves. And here comes Kendrick. It was a little bit boring. You see me? Who is a call me now? Oh, people are calling me. But yo, it was boring to some extent. But we know how I go on with Kendrick. Him artistic, but the Super Bowl, I don't know if he artistic, but people are looking for you jump from stage to stage and jump from corner to post. That people want to see. But anyway, salute to him still. Me not say the word Super Bowl, but a top 5 he can't in my say in my top 5, isn't it? But as we are Jamaica, we don't really care about Super Bowl like that, don't? You care about Super Bowl, but that's how you think said. Go back to Jamaica. Jamaica may talk about now. People. Ladies are gone through the door. Ladies are legend. Beenie man legend. My legend, me not take nothing from him. Legend. Bounty Killer legend. You see me? Shabba Ranks legend. Ninja Man legend. You see me? Yellow Man legend. During them time that we may talk about the late 80s, early 90s, you notice a couple legends me call up, but they were also good artists back in the days. And we say, we like see it. They make good music, but them are a legend. Them good, but them are a legend. Kartel boss early 2000 become a legend. Who out a Kartel crew become a legend? None of them. Popcorn are not a legend. I don't care nobody say. We can't talk about dancehall without mention Kartel. The man become a legend. Who in a year mind are the next legend from out of that crap there. Popcorn still a do him thing. But me not think him a reach legend. If him not reach legend status yet, we can put him in one stage where you saw a good artist, bad artist, yeah, in there. Him solidify himself, but him not a legend yet. Can't put him in a legend status. But yet still, I'm a big man. I'm in my 40s. That's what I say. Or late 30s. Who else you can show in that mix? And the next question, who are the next female artists who are going to take the world? Like say, Spice take the world over. We can say, oh, she a dancehall queen after Lady Saw. Who are the next one? Can't say Sensia, because Sensia shoot herself in the foot what the air. You see me I say? She don't give up on Jamaica, jump over there so, and America give up on her and she jump back a yard. She wasn't yet solidified in a Jamaican. So she jump ship. And say she jump ship and she have to come back. This is she over there so you know I do her thing in America. Good for her. I not cuss her city, but we are look upon her like no. We the people of Jamaica have to crown you first before you can talk about go nowhere else. If you not get the crown in Jamaica, me don't care where the world say. Jamaican audience have to push you out there first to put you in another status. So we already mentioned Spice. Spice a legendary artist. Like her or not, she in her 40s. All who we talk about in them 40s and 50s. So, I don't know how old say Ninja Man way up the Ninja Man are nearly 60 now. You see me I say? If him not past 60. And we don't know Yellow Man. Who you think are gonna be the next legend come up out of the crop from 2015 onwards? Massacre. Me don't know what you think. You have a comment section for a reason. Maybe you can tell me. Because I don't really listen to them young artists I like that, you know. Which I should. I should go back and listen to them. You have one named Alkaline. Me they think Alkaline can become, you know. But you cannot become a legend if you're a coward. And I can't tell me here Alkaline a coward. Me I say, yo. Him throw his stone and then hide him on. Me say him quiet. No, brother. Can't want too quiet in a dancehall thing. You have to make people know, say, yo, this or that or the other. You see me? Who else we can put as young artists? We say, yo, them are born legends. Skelly Bang. Them not say people used to write Skelly Bang. One youth write Skelly Bang tune them for him and rate it. Him come out with some hot tracks. Back in back I said 2020, 2021 and sitting and then them and the brother fall out. Me don't know about that. But Skilly Bang. And people. Alright, me give a good example. The Super Bowl, Kendrick, he had the highest viewer them say. The highest viewership ever for a Super Bowl. But yet still it was mid. Sometimes numbers don't really represent reality. And I just saw it thing set. Skelly Bang might have get good money. Yes. They on billboard and sitting, yes. But as me say, if Jamaica no crown you, I don't care where America say. America can charge iron if Jamaican population, if Jamaican no crown you, you no crown yet. There's something about us Jamaicans we can tell the fake. We can tell when you're being propped up by the industry. And some money you have behind you make you go on. So we can separate it. We can separate the gully from the Gaza. We can separate uptown from downtown. Sean Paul, a legend. You understand? Legend outside Jamaica. Shaggy, legend outside Jamaica. Also inside Jamaica. We can't take it from them. But we don't know say them are uptown artists and it's not a knock against them, but we don't know what things set. You see me? We still love them, respect them to the max. But then get them crowned from Jamaica before, and even when the world crown them, we I say, oh, alright then. You see me? You get the crown and you're good. Who are the next legend from out of the stack here? Last 10 years. Squash them, no. Squash them are idiot artists. Me I tell you, Squash not talented. A popcorn music squash. All I'm sang them sound alike. The six them. All I'm sang them sound alike. Man, I say what this here? We tune in for year where man say, but after that, fuck out of here. You see me? So I can't squash them. You know? Yo, no. So I forgot him. Well, Massacre, I don't mention Massacre. Somebody we keep we eye upon, you know. Somebody we have to keep we eye upon. So out of the flock here, we say we have Massacre and we have Alkaline. We have pre with them I do. How much more time we figure them? Next 5 years? We figure say if Alkaline not change in the next 5 years, you know. If you not go up, then him now become a legend. He might just become a good artist. Spragga Benz was a good artist. We not take none from Spragga, but Spragga is a legend. You see me? He was a very good artist. That's how you think said. You see me? Mad Cabra, good artist, but a legend. So you can have somebody who are really good artist, but a legend. Buju, legend. Sizzla, legend. You see me? But a lot of other good artists, but them are not legend. So out of the flock here, if Massacre go on good, he can become a legend too. Me not see Popcorn become a legend. No. But yeah, no care how much money you make abroad, Jamaican have to crown a legend. You see me? I just saw me see me there pre and who are the next female artists? Me done dash you all out up on the board now. Who are the next female artists who come up? Tell me in the comment section if you see no female artists who come up we can become a legend. We can say yo that girl do her thing. I mean, I hear nothing about coffee. Coffee time done. Coffee dash, you know. Too much milk going on coffee and it done, you know. She went prop up because, yeah. I know exactly why. She went part of the community and at that time it was hip to be part of the community there. But which female now come up? They can say, yo, her. Because Spice took over while Lady Saw was active. She never overthrew Lady Saw, but she pushed out her head. Threw her hat in the ring, or threw her wig in her ring. You know, a woman have too much color wig. But she threw it in the ring, and Lady Saw went there dominate still. See it now? Spice still do her thing, but she go up then here. She can't jump and flick like one time, but she can't do 10 somersaults on stage like one time. So which female artist now are out there where you can say, yo, really and truly there is none. I just the male them I dominate and good. You see me? But which one I male them, I don't know. I don't know. Intense our next local idiot over there, so. The people they sang they now left Jamaica. They now left Jamaica and sure. Skeng have one good song I'm like. When say intellectual murderer. I like that song there. Can play. But yo, I have to see them man. They really go up on tour, but at least come go over this in America then. But sitting apart from that, I can't say nothing. Busy. I nearly forgot. But how I could have almost forgot Busy. Is Busy a legend? That's the question. If you listen to this far, is Busy Signal a legend? I believe so. Busy a young legend. Busy Signal is a legend. I don't put him in a legend category. Because a yard him solidify and abroad he even more solidify. Assassin a good artist, but him not a legend. People enough artists Jamaican go through, you know. Assassin lyrically in good stage performance, but I'm a legend. You see me? More I know you're a legend. Big woman thing. Let me hear on a legend in a comment section and say, yo, this and that, you see me? Big up on yourself, people, you see me? Just come home, I'm cool. I miss Jamaica bad. For real. And sometimes we have to happy for what we have. Sometimes we want to say, yo, life tough, but you don't know tough yet. You know, Jamaican say, yo, life stress out, you know, but guess what? You know, out the door in a cold. Even if you sit down on the corner in a yard, you can sit down in a t-shirt. But what if you have to go get t-shirt and plus you have to get winter coat? And what if winter coat not good enough? You have to get you have to go pay for heat. You have to pay for warm. You also have to warm. That's what I say. So, at least a yard enough you have to say, yo, you have to get that. No, you just want a roof overhead. Rain a fall, you can go on the summer, go shelter from the rain, but you're not dead from hypothermia. You see what I'm saying? Sometimes we have to give God thanks. I mean, I hear this. I say, yo, sometimes I have to give God thanks and say, yo, don't complain too much. You see what I'm saying? Just hold the faith and say, yo, Jah works. Big up on yourself, people. Like, share, and subscribe. You see me? I hope you learn something. And tell me you're a legend.